Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Pisces. This is your daily love reading, Pisces. Let's see what's coming up, guys. I'll be picking few cards from this deck and few more cards from the other deck. Pisces, what's coming up? With these cards, Pisces, the energy I'm getting here is because of your position, um, your heritage, your family, your social status, maybe some people are feeling jealous of you, okay, even in your friend circle or in your people you work with. They may be what to say, trying to undermine you, okay. uh, they may try to scheme against you and try to use you. So it is a time for you to be very vigilant, okay. You, for some of you all, you may feel outwardly you may feel the situation, in a situation you may feel very secure and stable, okay, but you have to keep your eyes open, guys. All appearances are not true, so something sweet and innocent may be a great threat to us, okay. Behind they may have a different face. So you should beware of such people, maybe in your friend circle, or maybe your person also, maybe you cannot trust them. So that is the energy here. You may learn few secrets about them. That is also the energy here. Something, some mistakes they had done, okay, or something about them, some information about your person, or they may learn something about you. So that is also the energy here. Someone is planning against you, Pisces. That is the energy I'm getting here. You're in your work or in your relationship, maybe a third party, someone is working against your relationship, so they are trying to break this relationship. Whatever you were having, the stability and security in the relationships, someone is working very hard to break it. You may get information about it. That is the energy here. Some third party involved, maybe your ex or your person's ex, someone is working towards breaking, okay. So they are what to say, they are trying to turn the situation. They are envious about you. So that is also the energy here I'm getting. And for some of you all, you may be what to say, for some of you all, maybe you're charmed with your person. Maybe you feel loved and cared for, and you feel very secure and stable in your relationship, and you're partying with your person. That may also be the energy, guys. So but for most of you all, I feel somebody is working against you. That is the energy here, Pisces. Let me pick out 3 more cards to give us a better clarity of your situation. Pisces, what's coming up? be free. So these are the cards, guys. It's time for you to let go of your past emotions. Past is past, but you cannot do anything about it. So all you have to do is learn the lessons from the past and move forward. So that is the energy I'm getting here, guys. And you should have the determination to work, guys. Work, make understanding in your relationship. If you want this relationship to work, I feel deeply that you need to work in this relationship, make your person understand with clarity or about your emotions, and you can talk with them freely, try to come to an understanding with each other. Maybe overcome that doubts other people are what to say, they are cunningly devising against you. Okay, maybe they are trying to talk to your person and turn them against you. So it is a time for you to speak to them openly and come to an understanding. That is also the energy here. And you don't have to harbor unnecessary thoughts about anybody. If you want this relationship to work, it is time for you to bring understanding into your relationship. To do that, you need a calm mind, guys. So you just have to control your thoughts. Whatever negative thoughts you're having, you just have to control them, give them up, and go in for a better understanding with your person. Clarity, okay, clarity with your person. So you just need to communicate with them. When you do that, I feel you will get the hang of the situation. Both of you will see what is true, okay, and who is working against you. So that is the energy here. So if you work with your person together, maybe you can ask your friends, common friends, to come over, okay, when you meet, and you can take their suggestions also. It's going to help in a long way, guys. So friends will always be there to guide us and give us suggestion, because they will have a different perspective. So that is also the energy here. So you can request your friends to be there when you're meeting. That way you will know what is really happening, and they may have a different view about this whole situation, guys. So Pisces, if you want clarity in your relationship, you just have to talk to your person, find out who is devising plans against you, guys. So that is the energy here, guys. For some of you all, you may be what to say, learning new things, guys. Learning new art, or what to say, maybe into some kind of hobby activities also. So that is also the energy here, Pisces. So time for you to speak your mind, guys. No need to keep secrets for yourself, okay. You just speak out what you feel is right in your heart. You just have to speak out your secrets, okay. Time for you to break the ice between you and your person and move forward and see the truth for yourself. So that is the energy here, Pisces. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Pisces.